Hi, I'm Uffe Rasmussen from Mental Toughness University. Champions are willing to suspend their disbelief. The world class is the most open-minded group of people you will ever meet, which is one of the reasons for their tremendous success. While amateur thinkers are convinced they have figured out how the world works, champions are not so sure and are open to new ways of looking at old problems. In other words, champions are willing to suspend their disbelief until they evaluate the facts. The great ones are ready to change at a moment's notice if they are convinced something can be done faster, cheaper, or better. The heart of the champion's open-minded attitude is in their spirit-based consciousness, which is a mindset devoid of the need to hold on to the past. Most new ideas with the power to revolutionize people's lives never make it past the amateur's ego, which is rooted in fear of the unknown and marked by prejudgment, faking, and frustration. While the masses are dying from mental stagnation, the pros grow healthier every day by entertaining thoughts of abundance and keeping their fertile minds open to life and successful living. Thank you, Uffe Rasmussen, Mental Toughness University. Bye for now. Bye bye.